Hi, little bunnies. Hi, little bunnies. B, 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 bird, b, b, bird. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter B. Okay, now show me where is the capital B? Yes, very good. This is the capital B. Now show me where is the simple B? Yes, very good. This is the simple B. Now tell me, what's the sound of letter B? B, 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 b. What are they? They are balloons. B, b, balloons. B, b, balloons. Who are they? They are bees. B, b, bees. B, b, bees. Can you tell me who is this? Yes, very good. This is a butterfly. B, b, butterfly. This is the butterfly. B, b, butterfly. Okay, little bunnies. Now you know what's the sound of the letter B. B, 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 b. Bye bye.